Secrets to make your ex want you back fast. Breakups can leave you feeling powerless, especially when you still care deeply. If you're wondering how to reverse the situation, the answer lies in strategy, not desperation. The secrets to make your ex want you back fast involve creating attraction, sparking curiosity, and showing emotional growth. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the simple and effective tips to make your ex want you back quickly. 1. Follow the no contact rule. Give your ex space. Avoid texting, calling, or checking in for at least 3 to 4 weeks. This time apart allows emotions to settle and gives him room to miss you. 2. Focus on self-improvement. Use the time to level up. Hit the gym, update your wardrobe, start a new hobby. When your ex sees you thriving, it shifts his perception, and reawakens interest. 3. Spark his curiosity online. Subtly show your growth on social media. Post photos that highlight confidence and positivity, not sadness. Let him wonder what you're up to, and who you're becoming. 4. Reconnect casually. After the no contact period, send a light, friendly message. Avoid heavy emotional talk. Keep it simple, like, "Hey, I saw something that reminded me of you, hope you're doing well." 5. Trigger positive memories. Mention good times you shared in a natural way. Bring up a funny moment or a place you both loved. This gently reignites emotional connection without pressure. 6. Be mysterious, not desperate. Don't rush into deep talks or ask him to come back. Keep things light and a little unpredictable. Mystery is magnetic, it draws people in. 7. Let him feel the loss. Show that you're doing fine without him. When he senses that he's no longer your center, it can create urgency to win you back. Winning him back isn't about begging, it's about becoming irresistible again. These secrets to make your ex want you back fast work best when you combine space, self-growth, and smart emotional cues. When he sees the new, confident you, he won't just want you back, he'll chase you. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.